EFSI's home heating fire prevention tips. Heating equipment caused an estimated 56,000 home fires and caused 470 deaths between 2009 and 2013. Learn how to stay safe with these simple tips. Keep anything that can burn at least 3 feet from heat sources. Never leave a space heater unattended, and remember to turn it off when leaving a room or sleeping. Never plug a space heater into an extension cord. Never use a cooking stove to heat your home or dry clothes. Always place heaters on level, flat surfaces on the ground. Have a qualified service professional inspect your heating system annually. Install and maintain carbon monoxide alarms. Never use a space heater or any appliance with a damaged cord.